One of the things that I want to point out is that in normal situations, we will always ask that when you do center guiding with two sensors, that you use two of the same sensors with the same measuring range and same resolution. It just makes it easy and it avoids any confusion. Here, I just wanted to show that it's possible to use different sizes of sensors when you do center guiding. Where does this confusion come from? Just to show on the screen what I mean by that, we have one sensor configured to left and the other sensor configured to the right. And when we do that, the screen is going to be split up into two regions, or the web position indicator is going to be split up into two regions. If I present the web on just one sensor, so I'm presenting it on sensor 1, which is configured as right sensor, you can see that only that right half is being updated. Likewise, only the left half is being updated. And then when I have a web wide enough, it sees both sensors, then the portion of the left half corresponding to the left sensor and the portion of the right half corresponding to the right sensor is only going to show up there. So the confusion arises mainly because we have one sensor that is almost 6 times or 8 times wider than this sensor, but we only have the same 50% viewing area on the top. So when we move just a little bit on the bottom sensor, it seems like it's moving a lot, whereas when we move a little bit on the top, the left sensor, then it seems like it's moving little. But in reality, it's moving the same amount, but it's just that on the screen we're not scaling that based on the two different sensors range. So that's the difference. So we covered the main things with the sensors in terms of the orientation, how the web position is indicated, how you get the web detect signal and things like that.